everyone, welcome back to the channel, and look at me. I have finally figured out how to change the settings to not look as orange. Like, this looks more real now, you know. So today's video, I just wanted to do a quick video. I was thinking whether to do like a skincare, a hair care, or a makeup look, and I decided to go for hair. Let's just quickly get into this. If you watched my previous videos, I have talked about my PCOS and how it affects, and of course one of the symptoms or side effects of PCOS is hair loss. So I have been struggling with a lot of hair loss lately. If it wasn't curly, I should have straightened my hair to show you how thin it is. Like, it's nothing. This is it. This is my hair right now. There's hardly any left, and so the hair loss is definitely here. And this side, and I have like this bald patch on the back. I'm gonna try and show you. So this is really sparse. So those are like the sparse areas off my head. But yeah, like I said, if I just do this, I don't know if you can see, but there's like hair just falls out all the time. Like, my hair is everywhere. It's especially because we got carpet in the house. There's just my hair every single in every single room. You'll just find a couple strands of hair. I mean, I don't want to get to the point where I will have no hair left, or I'm gonna need a wig, or just shave my hair off. And I just thought I want to start on figuring out a way to stop this hair loss and get back to my usual thick hair. Of course, there's also the lawsuits going around with the ingredients that are in shampoos and conditioners. My usual ghost or person is saying hi. Some brands have been sued over certain ingredients that are in the products that are making your hair fall out because it is toxic, or it's formaldehyde releasing ingredients, and I wanted to start off there as well. So even though I had brand new shampoos and conditioners, I just got rid of them. I don't use it on my hair anymore. I will use it to clean my brushes, my own personal makeup brushes. And yeah, other than that, I don't use it. So I changed it up to Olaplex because I heard good things about it. It's cruelty free and it's vegan and it doesn't have those ingredients. So I just wanted to go for like the best products out there, even though it's a little bit more expensive. So starting off, I tried, if you watched one of my Olaplex video, I'll link it here or something, you will see that I bought this travel size kit. So it had like the number 3, I had the number 4 and 5 shampoo and conditioner, and then I had the number 6 bond smoother. So I really like those. I found that the conditioner was not thick enough. I don't know, I just really like really thick, like deep hair repair mask as a conditioner. So I just left out the conditioner, but I got myself the Olaplex number 4 shampoo. I try to wash my hair only once a week because I just hate seeing all that hair run down the drain, or you know, just come out as I'm washing my hair. I already washed my hair today, actually. Yeah, so this is the Repairs, Strengthens and Nourishes All Hair Type Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I mean, it's nice. I don't think it has all those bad things in here. This is 26 pounds, which is a lot for a small shampoo, but I saw a video where you only use like a tiny little amount because it's so strong, or like so concentrated, and that's why it's also expensive. They also have the massive bottles, like this big. I think if you get the shampoo and conditioner, it's gonna cost you like 100 pounds or something, maybe, which, I mean, I might test it out. So I might try and get myself one of those beauty cards from Sally's so I can get a bit of a discount, because it is expensive, but I'd rather spend that money than have no hair left. it is what it is. As I've said, I don't use their conditioner, but instead I saw that Shea Moisture do a hair repair mask, and I got that instead. So I use that as my conditioner. Because I only wash my hair once a week, I thought why not just use the deep hair repair mask. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar. And on the side it says no paraffins, no mineral oil, no synthetic color, and no petroleum. And again, mainly because I love TikTok and I'm on TikTok all the time, a lot of people recommended this one, so look at all my finger marks in there. But yeah, I mean, I've had this for, it is more expensive, but I don't care right now. Like, as I only wash my hair once a week, and you don't need like loads, you don't need a massive amount of it because it's so thick. Normally I would use so much conditioner in my hair because I want that, you know, like that silky feeling when you put it in your hair. But with this, because it's so thick and moisturizing, you don't need as much, so you can put a little bit on and just spread it all around, and therefore, even though it's a little bit more expensive, it will last. So I got this one from Superdrug. Let me see how much it is. So yeah, it's from Superdrug. It is currently £12.99. Beauty Bay, you can get it for $12.75. But yeah, just shop around and see which one you like. But I just wanted to kind of start off using clean products on my hair. I did try using Dr. Bronner's. I don't know, maybe it was too dry. I might try and incorporate it again because, again, like it's really potent. I've used it 3 times and then I felt like it wasn't cleaning my hair properly. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong because I've seen other people use it on their hair and body and everything. I use it on my body, which is perfect. It feels really nice, it smells amazing, it gets rid of all your dirt, but I felt like it wasn't taking off all the stuff out of my hair. Again, I may have used it wrong, so I'm gonna try that again. But at the moment I'm just using the Olaplex shampoo and the Shea Moisture conditioner. So now for like a leave-in treatment. After I wash my hair, I did love the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother, so I got that. I'm pretty sure it was around the same price as the shampoo, so about, actually let me check before I tell you the wrong stuff. Okay, currently on just my look it's £20.80. It depends on where you buy it, but if you have like one of those beauty cards or discount cards for Sally's or any beauty supply store, I'm sure you can get it for cheaper. I do love this. It feels really nice and hydrating. It doesn't leave my hair dry. I try not to use any heat in my hair, so yeah, I just use that as a heat protectant. Yeah, so it says leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes and protects. So I just use that. Now for nighttime, I heard a lot of great stuff about The Ordinary. This is the multi-peptide serum for hair density. And this has a pipette here. It's a clear liquid. But I put it in these areas, and trust me, I think this was worse than what you see right now. Like, I feel like my hair has grown a bit more. But I use that in that on the sides where my hair loss is, and then on the back of my head where all the bald patches, and just massage it. And I do that every night, or I try to anyway. But I need to really just get into it more. So this claims to be a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. I like it. You could do more research into it and see if you like it too. I'm gonna carry on using this, and you know, now for like a leave-in or oil thing for my hair, I haven't done one in a while because I feel like my hair falls out more, so I need to figure out how to do it, because I know a lot of people use coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil or black seed oil, rosemary essence oil, which I got some. I got a little one and I mixed it in with some black seed oil, but I just felt like my hair was falling out as I was washing it, so I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong. But I do want to carry on using the rosemary one, because I've seen a lot of people use that, so I might dilute it with a bit of water and just spray it into my hair and hopefully that might work as a treatment. So I do want to try that. So I literally finished the whole video and said bye, or I was about to say bye, and I realized that it wasn't recording. Damn it. So I had to go and watch it back. But as far as I gotten was the supplements. So I was just about to talk about the supplements. So before I show you the supplements, I want to tell you, I would just want to quickly do a little disclaimer. Do not take any supplements without speaking to your healthcare professional and doing all your research, because I don't know what other medical things are going on in your life, so I can't tell you to use certain things just because I am. But what I'm taking is inositol. This is the inositol from Believe, and it has folic acid. Yeah, so I take this to help with my PCOS symptoms, which is mainly my insulin resistance. How I feel is when I eat, or just after I eat, my heart is racing, I feel tired, my whole body is just working overtime and just going insane, and this really helps to kind of calm it down, tone it down. It still feels off, but it's not as bad, and it's really helping with the inositol. So I recommend it. My doctor actually never told me about this, and the only reason I saw inositol was because of TikTok, because I'm always on TikTok. But there was a girl that was talking about her PCOS and how inositol is helping regulate like sugar cravings and regulating her body and how it feels after they've eaten. It definitely does help. I'm not sure if it helps with the hair loss, but if it's regulating certain things in my body, it might help, you know. I do want to go ahead and start taking magnesium. I've not figured out yet which magnesium, because there are different types, and some of them are to absorb certain nutrients. Some magnesium is to help sleep better and so forth. I kind of want to take like an all-rounded kind of magnesium, but I don't know. So I'm gonna have to do my research on that. So just because I'm doing it doesn't mean you have to, or speak to your healthcare professional or do your research before taking any supplements. And then the last thing is I want to go into juicing again. I have a juicer at my parents' house, and I want to juice. I used to juice kale, spinach, beetroot, and ginger. Those were like my main ones, and then I would throw in like an apple or grapes or something to sweeten it so it doesn't taste too greeny with the kale and spinach. And yeah, you know, just go into that. Hopefully the raw juice will help with whatever ingredients or nutrients my hair needs, or my scalp, or my hair follicles, or my skin, whatever it needs. Like hopefully it will incorporate that into my body, as I already eat a lot of vegetables anyway. I have tried to cut out bread or floury things and sugar and dairy, so I do want to cut out all those things more and more. It is difficult when you know you have cravings, but yeah, I just want to cut that completely out of my lifestyle, and hopefully that will help as well with how my body absorbs other nutrients from what I'm eating. So that is pretty much it on my hair. This is my hair right now. I'm just showing you all the sparse areas, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on my hair journey. And I would really like if you joined me if you have PCOS, or if you just have lots of stress that's making your hair fall out, or you know, any other things that are making your hair fall out. I mean, I would be more than happy to see other people join me along. And if you have any tips, you can leave them in the comments down below, or any requests. Once I start juicing again, I'll be happy to show you some recipes and just keep you updated, and fingers crossed for me and for you if you're joining me with your hair care. We're gonna regrow our PCOS hair. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching. And this is such a difficult subject for me anyway. It's you know, killing my self-esteem and how I look at myself, but just thought I'd share, because I'm sure there are so many other girls that are going through the same thing, or undiagnosed PCOS or other Hashimoto's, endometriosis, things like that. And you know, there are doctors out here, but you know your own body, so make sure you go to your doctor, figure out what's wrong, and if they don't want to help you, go see another one, go see a different doctor. Going off topic, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification for updates whenever we post. Next week will be my sister. She's not here, but I don't know why I always do this. Next week will be my sister. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you next time. Bye.